To add MACD on Metatrader 4, start with the chart you want to analyze. From the top menu, select Insert, then Indicators, followed by Oscillators, and choose MACD. The indicator settings window will open before MACD is applied to the chart. By default, Metatrader 4 uses a fast exponential moving average of 12 periods, a slow exponential moving average of 26 periods, and a signal smoothing period of 9. The indicator is normally calculated using closing prices, so unless you have a specific reason to change the settings, the default configuration provides a useful starting point. Before adding it, you can also adjust the appearance of the MACD and its signal line. The Levels tab can be used to add reference levels if required, while the Visualization tab controls which chart timeframes display the indicator. Select OK and MACD will appear in a separate window beneath the main price chart. The built-in MT4 version displays the relationship between the faster and slower moving averages, together with a signal line. When the MACD moves above or below the signal line, traders may use that change to assess shifts in momentum. The zero level is another useful reference. Movement above zero indicates that the faster moving average is above the slower moving average, while movement below zero shows the opposite. MACD can also be used to compare indicator movement with price. For example, if price continues making higher highs while MACD begins making lower highs, this creates divergence and can suggest that momentum is weakening. That does not mean a reversal is guaranteed. MACD is a lagging indicator because it is based on moving averages, so signals should be considered alongside price action, market structure, and the wider trend. If you need to change the settings later, right-click inside the MACD window and open the indicator properties. From there, the periods, appearance, and other settings can be adjusted without removing the indicator. The key point is that adding MACD on Metatrader 4 gives you a simple way to compare trend direction and momentum within the same chart setup.